Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we've walked into the Remy. This is a really pretty lobby, and it's super big. Oh my gosh, look how tall this is. So 25, maybe 30 feet tall. Really fun lobby. There's so much just good, playful decorating and architecture here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk around just a bit so you can kind of see where things are. And then we're going to describe these with a few detailed videos. So one of the things over here that you're going to see on the right is this is a lounge area. So this is, they call it the library. That's a cool area, and I'll just pop into that really quick, but that's the library. Very, very cool. So it's an area you could work from. You could also just kind of sit and chat, watch TV if you wanted to. There's free coffee, so you can imagine people visit that all the time, especially in the mornings. This is the leasing center that's over here, and then over here we walk and we keep going, and hey, it's pretty cool. It's more kind of co-working area, so people can come and kind of work here. There's plugs under there, so you can come and work here anytime. That's pretty cool. This is also a resident lounge. The resident lounge is pretty cool as well. And there's a lot of it. There's a chess set right over there that's pretty cool. And then there's also a lounge over there. We may cover that in a separate video. That's kind of cool. That's more of a game lounge, I believe. And then finally, there's mailboxes over here. So the mailboxes, that's the section over here. So that's essentially your first floor. A lot of the amenities are pretty much on this floor too. So we'll go to that. We just have to have a key fob to get into those. So let's cover those in just a minute. By the way, there is a pool that's over here too. So the pool is right here. So anyway, that's actually the lounge, and then the pool. There's a connected pool that's over there. So anyway, we'll check that out in a minute. If you have any questions in the meantime about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below, and I'll answer your questions and set up a virtual tour if you're ready for that.